Anya TechSoft LLP welcomes you. Mr. Anil Singh, Ms. Shikha Jain and Mr. Nidhish Singh is a founder of Anya TechSoft LLP, which was established in 2014 and focusing on the quality services for the past 8+ years. Anya TechSoft LLP is a software technology and innovation company. We are pleased to introduce ourselves as one of the leading commercial software application vendors and service providers across India. We offer the following Tally services. It is advised to have an active Tally license in your system. Let us see some benefits of Tally software service renewal. Our team is comprised of industry experts, IT intelligence supports and accountants responsible to provide you best-in-class ERP and business management services. We are so grateful for the pleasure of serving you and hope we met your expectations. Thank you for being our valued customer.